I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion wikis versus pages. Understanding the core differences between these two fundamental Notion components is crucial for effective organization. Wikis are designed for structured, interconnected knowledge bases, ideal for teams. Pages, conversely, serve as versatile, standalone documents for individual notes or simpler content. Your choice significantly impacts how information is accessed and managed within your workspace, ensuring optimal productivity and collaboration for everyone involved. Notion wikis provide a dedicated, organized space for your team's collective knowledge. They leverage database properties, allowing you to filter, sort, and relate information across many pages. This structure makes them perfect for comprehensive company handbooks, detailed project documentation, or extensive team knowledge bases. The enhanced searchability and clear navigation within a wiki ensure that critical information is always easily discoverable by everyone who needs it. Notion pages are the foundational building blocks for almost any content you create. They offer incredible flexibility, serving as simple notes, drafts, or standalone documents. Pages can exist independently or be seamlessly embedded within other pages or databases, adapting to your specific needs. They are best suited for personal notes, quick meeting agendas, or any content that requires less formal structure, providing a versatile canvas for your ideas. Deciding between a wiki and a page boils down to your specific organizational requirements. Choose a wiki for structured, collaborative, and extensive knowledge management, especially when many people are involved. Opt for page when you need individual, less structured, or temporary content. Consider the scale of information and the number of collaborators. Remember, you can always convert a page into a wiki entry or vice versa, offering great adaptability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.